Hi everyone, I believe everybody is waiting for the function of BYD NFC card key programming for a long time. Now, XTOOL already supports it. Let's have a look. Now, I have a blank BYD NFC card. As you can see, when I tap this NFC card into the NFC sensing area, the card doesn't have any response. So this is a blank NFC card. Plug in the VCI box. We choose to use XTOOL X100 Pad Elite2 to operate this function. So we click Emo, agree, and we choose BYD EV, and we choose NFC cards. Click, and click. This function clears cards before matching. Any old cards must be matched together with a maximum of 5 cards that can be matched. And click Yes. And please be aware that this function requires a network connection, so please ensure your device is properly connected to Wi-Fi. As we can see, this device already connected to Wi-Fi. And supports password-free dynamic code support after 2024. So click OK here. If you don't have an activated NFC card, only have original smart key, then place the smart key in the key sensing area and place the NFC card that needs to be programming to close to the rear view mirror sensor area. And we click Yes to match the NFC card. This NFC matching is password free. You have successfully learned the cards. Would you like to continue learning more cards? Because we don't have more cards, so we click No. And if you have more cards you want to learn, you can click Yes. Now, so the matching process is done. Click OK. It's very simple, very easy. So now, let's have a test. This NFC card has just been learned, so let's do a test to see whether the process is successful. As you can see, the card is successfully locked, so the learning process is finished.